A big move for Bitcoin is very near. Make sure to stick around to find out the scenarios for Bitcoin. Can it pump? Can it dump? How low? Well, guys, make sure to stick around for that because we're going to get right into it. So looking at the 1 hour right now, the MACD is showing us a sell along with the RSI showing us weakness. As you guys can see, we're creating higher lows. It looks like Bitcoin once again got rejected around the 16,600. This is a bearish signal. Yes, if we take a look earlier, we did create this rising wedge, which is also bearish. It did dump, but it did not manage to dump that much. It only managed to dump to 16,300 before picking up. And currently right now it is heading higher. It's creating higher highs. So yes, we need to pay attention because a lot of manipulation can happen. What am I talking about? Well, guys, we can very well see Bitcoin pump. Yes, short term. How high? Well, the next level of resistance that Bitcoin must meet is around the 17,000 price range. We can very well see, Bitcoin managed to pump over the weekend 17,000 to fake everyone out. This is why we need to be careful. We're going to see a retest. If it breaks through and fails, we should see a major dump for Bitcoin. But if the bulls are strong enough, yes, if the bulls are strong enough, we should see Bitcoin turn this into support. Will it happen? Is a high probability that it will not happen just because we are still weak right now in the crypto markets. So yes, we need to be careful with that because a lot of manipulations can happen. Guys, make sure to hit the like button right now if you want to find out some more scenarios. Keep updated with Bitcoin's price. Hit the like button, subscribe. But with that said, we need to be careful looking at the 4-hour chart. Right now, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. What do we see right now? Well, guys, we see Bitcoin trying to push its way high, trying to push its way above 16,689. If we want to see any signs of the 17,000 over the weekend, we must break through the 16,700, but it looks like it failed once again, as you guys can see. Also, if we take a look, it looks like it's about to cross right now for a sell on the MACD on the 4-hour time frame. Yes, volume is also very low, and the RSI is around 50, which is a 50-50. It's not strong, it's not weak. It can very well pump. This is why I need you guys to be cautious, Bitcoin holders, because we can see Bitcoin pump to 17,000 very easily just because of low volume and manipulation. To trick all you guys thinking it's bullish, but no, guys. Also, looking at the daily time frame, this is not very good. We are creating this ascending triangle or descending triangle. Sorry, guys. We're creating a descending triangle, and we broke out of the descending triangle on the daily time frame. But over the next couple hours, we will see what happens. Will it break through, stick around above, or will it actually fail, get rejected, and fall back into the descending channel? This is dangerous, guys, because on the daily time frame, this is looking bearish. Yes, it looks like it's going to dump. We need to be careful because it's creating a descending channel. If you don't know what that is a bearish chart pattern. So we need to be careful. How low can it go? Well, guys, my price prediction for Bitcoin is around 15,500. Once again, we're going to be testing this area. If, Bitcoin fails, gets rejected, and we fall back into this ascending channel or descending channel. Sorry. So this is what I'm telling you guys. We need to be careful. If we look at the MACD right now, it is showing us for a buy. It crossed, as you guys can see. It did cross. So it does look promising, but it can be very well a fake out. Also, the RSI is around 40, so it's not that strong. Along with, The volume has lowered, as you guys can see. It hasn't picked up. This is why we need to be careful. But there is some good news on the weekly time frame. We have seen something for the very first time for Bitcoin. Yes, guys. We created a bullish divergence. What do I mean by that? Well, guys, if you take a look here, we created a higher high on the RSI, meaning that Bitcoin should have made higher prices, but you take a look here, we didn't. We created a lower low, as you guys can see. So that's a bullish divergence. What does this mean? Well, this means that the bears are losing strength, and this is the first stages or sign of a reversal. I'm not saying we're going to see lower prices. I'm just saying that the bears are losing strength, and that means the bulls are going to, have the power now. But we need to be careful in the next few weeks because it's going to be very, very volatile just because of this. What do you guys think of this? Good, bad? It's the first time it happened for Bitcoin. It's going to be very interesting. Also, it is on the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, as you guys can see. We created a, see right there? Oh, not there. Sorry, guys. We also created a bullish divergence. Never mind, guys. Just ignore that. Oh, it's the weekly. My bad. It's the weekly time frame, and also the daily time frame. As you guys can see, we created a higher high in the RSI, along with we actually created lower lows for the price. It managed to go to 15,500. Previously breaking the lower low of 15,700. So yes, guys, that is some bullish news for Bitcoin on the daily and weekly time frame. But we do need to be careful right now in the short term because we can see a fake out happen. Yes, we can see Bitcoin pump easily to 17,000 just for manipulation to get everyone into buy in, start long positioning, and then to get liquidated on the 17,000. So be careful, guys. Be careful. What is highly likely going to happen? Well, guys, this is what's going to happen. Bitcoin is going to go to 17,000 over the weekend. People are going to get bullish. They're going to start putting long positions. And then we're going to see a rejection around 17,000. It's going to fail. And then we're going to see it push down back into this ascending triangle on, the daily time frame. We're going to see it on the daily time frame back into this descending triangle, and possibly we're going to see a dump just because we also got to look out on the market with Apple. Apple right now is on the verge of falling just because they're not able to meet the people or the customers' demands of the iPhone 14. We need to be careful on that because that can easily crash the S&P 500, the stock market, and because of that, it will crash the Bitcoin market and crypto market. But those are just something to worry about. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to stick around because I will update you on the Bitcoin price movement and, if anything happens in the crypto world. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. With that said, peace.